Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix this type of error, below screen error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. It's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. It's required for a few minutes to complete this process. After completing this, type close the cmd, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.